Hello everyone, I am Monica from IELTS 9. So this is not IELTS 9 actually, this is meteorites. Reading name is given. So this reading was reported on 23rd March 2024 IELTS exam. So I have got this reading on the basis of this word, but another reading is also there. Very soon I will be covering that reading also, but in this video we will be doing this reading. So here you can see alphabet A is given, means for every paragraph they have given names, alphabets for this. Now let's look at the questions, because I am not going to read anything from the passage. So that's really a wastage of time. Start finding the questions, start reading the questions, and take your some target that I'm going to find these keywords, and then wherever you will get your keywords, definitely you will read it in detail. So it's not like that every tip will just work for you, that you will get the keyword here without reading, you will just mark it. Just try to understand something nearby the keyword. Okay, now first type of question I have here is suitable heading for each section, means 5 headings are there and 5 paragraphs are there, A to E paragraphs. And next question is we have complete the sentences, means these are the fill in the blanks, and option is no more than 2 words and 1 word also we can use. Now last type of question we have true false not given. Now I will start my reading from first type of question, because here if you think that you can do this question first, you can do it, but I will say just do it if you want. Then you will realize that it's a wastage of time when you are going to find the location of these words, because you don't know ABC about the whole passage when you are doing first type of question with the examiner's point of view. Definitely for second type of question and third type of question, it will be easier to get the locations. That's why first list of heading, which section contains the following information, whatever the question is given in reading passage, please do it. Now how to do list of heading? Of course we will read all the options first and then go to paragraphs. Each paragraph we will read it and then come back to find the option, to find the heading for each paragraph. First they are saying meteorites, false or find. So these are keywords. Types of meteorites, origins and journeys, early beliefs, means here where they will be talking about some people or person's opinion about meteorites, and early means past history, belief, what people were thinking about this, that will be the answer for this. Appearance and other features. Appearance means whatever the physical appearance or physical or other kind of appearance will be there, and its other features will be there, that will be the answer. So this is full A paragraph from here and up to here. Okay, so but I will show it to you and just try to read it. You can pause the screen. So meteorites are travelers through time and space that plunge to earth, sometimes trailing a brilliant light with a nose like thunder at the end of the journey. Journey word is also there, that began in the farthest reaches of the solar system as long as 45 million years. They are solid bodies of crystalline matter throughout to have originated deep planet-like bodies. Water were later fragmented. Unlike earth rocks, the oldest of date back. So I think they are talking about dating back and 4500 million years ago, and journey began in the. So I think they are talking about false or finds is not there. Types of meteorites is not there. I think here also kilometers I can see. It means they are talking about some journey. Origins and journey, I think they are talking about, because here a traveler through time and space that plunge to earth, sometimes trailing a, so many things they have given, and basically they are talking about journey and their origins of. So I will just mark it for A paragraph. Third is A paragraph. Okay, whatever you think that it is important, you can just underline the important things. Okay, vary in size. So size also they are talking here, size. So that's why I have written small pebbles, some tons. Now coming to second, solar system is also there, earth is also there. Now second paragraph, that is the study of meteorites is a comparatively now read it. I will be showing you headings over here. Young science, but meteorites have been known to men since the earliest days. Early word is also there of prehistory. Meteorite falls were described by writers in China, by the philosophers, so many. So here, without thinking, if you got these words, then definitely beliefs, early word is also there, and person, writers and philosophers, it means these are all talking about early beliefs. So this is B number. So I think this is easier reading passage. Now coming to next paragraph, but before that, whatever you think that another important words you can see, just do it, means underline the things for the next type of question. 19th century, 150 years old. Now I have done my homework. Now coming to C paragraph. C paragraph I am showing you full. There are main three types of meteorites. Okay, iron, steel. So without reading we can mark the answer, but let's read 2-3 more sentences. Irons are mainly composed of nickel, iron, Li, and have a characteristically dense and metallic appearance. Okay, they originate from the core of their parent body, metallic nature. So types of meteorites, and now first they are talking about irons, and then the largest meteorites are usually irons. The first meteorites, okay, found in Western Australia. This person 19th century. Stones, now they are talking about stones. It means without saying, definitely we will just mark types of meteorites. So C will come with types of meteorites. Now D paragraph. Now D paragraph says a meteorite fall is a meteorite recovered after a witnessed fireball. Fall word is there, find word is there. What we need more? So easy. So D paragraph will come with that. Okay. So here I can see some Western Australia again, annual race meeting. White and blue something is given, because I am not reading but only marking something. Okay, now E paragraph. I can show you E paragraph, but believe me, it's so much easy reading will not come in your actual exam, but for practice we can do it. So surface of a meteorite is quite different from that of ordinary surface. Okay, means outer appearance of most ordinary rocks. This is the result of entering the atmosphere at high speed and outer portion of the meteorite being melted or burned off. Stony, heavy, glassy, dull. So these are all physical features. Okay, so last one is left. This is E paragraph. Now this is too simple, we have done it. Okay, now 6 to 10 fill in the blanks, no more than 2 words. Now let's read it. Meteorites consist of solid bodies of. Now we have to find some American Indian tribes. So American word was in B paragraph and this must be in first paragraph then. Let's find Southern Alberta. Both words were in B paragraph. So we have to find these 2 words. We know it is in B paragraph, but I am looking for solid body meteorites. So meteorites are here. So let's find the solid body. Solid bodies, here it is given. Meteorite consists of solid bodies of. So after blank, the word before blank and after blank sometimes are they will give us some clue to get correct answer. So meteorites, they are talking about meteorites, that's why they have used they. They are solid bodies of crystalline matter. So of crystalline matter we will just write it, and because we are allowed to write 2 words. Okay, so we will write this word. Now this we have done 7th, some American Indian tribes. So that we know it, they were talking here in B paragraph. American word, Southern Alberta is American Indians is there. So let's read it. So what is the location? Some American Indian are also known to have paid homage to meteorites and members of 2 tribes. Okay, tribe word is given. Went on where we were. No, yeah, from here we have to read. Indians are also to have paid homage to meteorites and members of two made yearly pilgrimages to a hill in southern Alberta where the Iron Creek meteorites lay. So went on dash to a meteorite in southern Alberta. Southern Alberta is here where the iron ton. Some American tribes went on dash. Where they went on? That we need to find. American also paid to homage. So actually this is given pilgrimages. American Indians paid homage to meteorites and members of two tribals made yearly pilgrimages to a hill. So hill will not come. Actually they went on pilgrimages. See this, I have written same spelling you have to write. See this. The hill, that is not a hill. Of course you will be thinking about hill, but hill can't come because they went to pilgrimages which was on hill in southern Alberta. Okay, now next, the chondrites are very similar to the sun in there. Now here if we go through, no, nothing is there in this B. Let's move to next C paragraph. Now we have to look the word chondrites are very similar to the sun. Okay, now in this paragraph we can try to find, otherwise we will go to I am looking only for my word that I don't think so they can change. Meteorites, those certain, this word and this word I can see this. Now let's read it. The chemical composition of the first group known as chondrites is very similar to that of the sun. So what is similar to sun? The chemical composition. See this, the chondrites are very similar to the sun in their chemical composition. We will write here this. Now we have got these three, and now next, ninth number. The surface of a surface word, we know it. It was in next paragraph they were talking of a meteoroid gets melted as a result. So melted word we have to find as a result of traveling at. Okay. So, oh no, yes, see this melted word I can see here. Melted word is here, but surface they were talking, no, surface they were talking in E paragraph, but melted word here I have got gets melted as a result of traveling at. So something we need to find. Let's read it, otherwise we will go to E paragraph. The stony portion generally occurs as fragments welded by metal. They are probably the result of a high speed collision in space between a body iron and one of the stone. The metal would have melted at the time of impact. So what is the question? The surface of the meteorite gets melted as a result of traveling at, yeah, traveling at high speed should be there. So in this, see this is the line where we have to select the option. I am showing you full. See this, we are looking for ninth number, the surface of a meteorite. So here they are talking the stony portion, means this is generally occurs as fragment welded by metal. They are probably the result of a high speed collision in space between body. Definitely this high speed will come here. High speed, whatever this word is also there's high speed. This is, yeah, 10th number. To identify and classify a meteorite requires specialist knowledge and dash. Okay. So now this paragraph, special knowledge. To identify, classify meteorite requires special knowledge. Okay. Noises were caused by nothing is given. See now last paragraph, the surface of it quite different than ordinary. High speed, this is also high speed. You can just get your answer from here also. Yes, see this, but melted word is not there. Yeah, melted is also there. Yes, there also they were talking about melted words, and here also they are talking about, actually I think this is the correct location for the surface of a meteorite gets melted as a result of traveling at different from that of ordinary rocks, atmosphere at high speed, and outer portion of the meteorite being melted. So journey, traveling, they were talking about in that paragraph. That's why I have selected. So answer is same. Now I am looking for this specialist knowledge, because last paragraph definitely here may be rare. Meteorite have fusion, they are not so obvious. Most meteorite contain some metallic iron. Where it is? Positive identifying, classifying. Specialist, it is not specialist. To identify and classify meteorite requires specialist knowledge, and knowledge word is there. Specialist means knowledge, and sophisticated equipment we can write. Now we have done this sophisticated equipment as I shown it to you. See this. No, wait. See this. To identify and classify a meteorite requires specialist knowledge. See this. Identification and classifying a meteorite requires special knowledge means expert knowledge, and word is also there. That's why full sophisticated equipment we have found. So now true false not given. So now question arises that where we have to find. Of course we will go to the first paragraph and then try to find location. And if you remember where they were talking about this and this, on earth we can find meteorites but never meteors. Okay. Find and fall paragraph, we know it. Meteorites are like any other ordinary rock. I think this was in last paragraph, but first we will find it in first A paragraph. See this, we are looking for meteorites but never meteors. So it means this will come earth also. This word will be everywhere. So earth and meteors, let's find it. And earth they were talking in first paragraph. That's why I have come to A paragraph. Earth travelers through time and space that plunge to earth. Brilliant. Earth word we have found, and meteorites also. Like a noisy, like thunder at the end of the journey, begin in the far east reaches of the solar system as long as they are solid bodies of crystal. This we have read. Originated were later. So let's find meteors word they are. So for earth meteorites, and it is given, see this, where, yeah, this word is there. So let's read it from here. They have been isolated in deep space since the birth of the solar system. Full stop is there. While in space they are known as meteors. Though their origins cannot be known for sure, they are indication that they are associated with comets and all. It means this is clearly given. In space they are known as meteors. So on earth we can find meteors but never meteors. So this is absolutely true. Okay, now find and fall, this paragraph. In this paragraph they were talking about fall and find. See this, now we have to find the actual thing. A meteorite find may also have been a meteorite fall. Okay, a meteorite fall is a meteorite recovered after a witnessed fireball. A meteorite find, this is fall, this is find, is a meteorite found by chance after it fell to earth. It is found by chance after it fell to earth and recovered after a witnessed fireball. Since a meteorite fall, it can be quite spectacular. For example, residents and Viluna Western for the annual race meeting saw the night sky. One reported, others reported a terrific rumbling. These explosive noises were caused by a shock. Okay, so I don't think so they are just doing may also have been a meteorite fall. No, so both things are different and nothing they have given like that. Find may also been. So I will just mark it not given. So 13, meteorites are like an ordinary earth rock. Meteorites, so earth rock, yes, it was in last paragraph. I have rocks, ordinary rocks. See this. So meteorites are like an ordinary earth rock. Okay, so here they were talking about features and all. This coating is only so let's read it from. Iron and stony iron meteorites have fusion crust, but they are not so obvious. Most meteorites contain some metallic iron. These can be recognized as a silvery areas or grains on broken surfaces. It means that meteorites are usually heavier than ordinary rocks of the same size. Okay, but here what they are saying, see this, I am showing you full paragraph, location also, are like an ordinary rock. So this is not, are usually heavier than ordinary rocks of the same size. But most meteorites contain some metallic iron also. So this is not ordinary rock. So we will just mark it false.